Good afternoon, everyone. Just starting my first video for my YouTube channel. I will be showing you parts of Melbourne the way I see it. Welcome. This is Southern Cross Station. Southern Cross Station is where you pick up the lines, V lines for the regional centers and also the transfer bus to the airport. So if you don't want to spend money with taxi and if you travel light, you can come by train, stop in the Southern Cross and catch the Expresso Sky Bus to Melbourne Airport. It costs you only $19. This is Elizabeth Street. We're going up to where the Camera Club shops are. Actually, they're right across there, so I have to cross the street to go and see them. Street and center commercial, and look at the singer. It's beautiful.
I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Thank you very much. That was Jolene. Good old Jolene.
Next stop is Southern Cross Station, Spencer Street. Change level route 86.
Look out!